a Glass Doctor franchise means tapping into a proven business model in the high-demand glass repair and replacement industry, catering to residential, commercial, and automotive customers. Franchisees typically operate from a light industrial location or a warehouse that supports a fleet of service vehicles, making it easy to deliver mobile and on-site solutions. As a franchisee, your day includes managing a team of skilled technicians, coordinating customer projects, and ensuring seamless service delivery. Being part of the Neighborly Network enhances your business with cross-brand referrals and strong community recognition. Neighborly's marketing powerhouse drives your success through national campaigns, digital strategies, and local marketing tools, ensuring a steady flow of leads. With Glass Doctor, you will enjoy the satisfaction of meeting critical customer needs while growing a business backed by an industry leader.